Gala Games is at an interesting position as of this moment, and in this video I'm going to be covering what I am personally looking into Gala Games at this moment and what is personally my strategy for Gala Games in general. So guys, as of this moment you can see that Gala Games has been forming this massive Elliott wave structure which includes 5 waves towards the upside. We pumped up in a wave number 1, we came down in a wave number 2. However guys, as we are progressing towards our wave 3 target of 0.083, we saw that Gala Games was not really able to break this important resistance level at this blue line right over here at a price of about 0.050. We tried to break it once and twice right over here. However, we were unable to do that successfully, and that was one of the reasons why we saw this massive decrease in the price. Now, the major reason behind this fall was because Gala Games, or say a lot of people who are invested into Gala Games, thought that Gala was not going to be able to roll out the Gala version 2 upgrade successfully. However, Gala have proved all of them wrong, and right now Gala is shifting its momentum towards the upside, and we should be seeing similar things playing out in the price as well very soon. Now guys, in my last couple of videos I had mentioned to you all about my trading strategy, so let me go over what I am planning to do with Gala Games in the recent times. By the way guys, before I proceed on with the video, if you guys are seriously invested into the crypto markets and if you guys want to start making some insane profits from right now, make sure you guys check out my trade signal group. The link to it will be down in the description. Now guys, in my trade signal group I post my personal trade setups which have helped me to make some serious amounts of money in the past couple of months. As you can see, we recently closed 2 trades and we were profitable on both of them. On one of the trades we got a profit of 131%, while on other we got a profit of about 380%. Now guys, if I scroll above, you will be able to see that we have been locking profits left and right. Here is the monthly recap for the last month, or say for the month of May. In last month, we took 12 trades in total, and as you can see, we are profitable every single one of the time. On some trades, we got a profit of 64%, while on others, we got a profit of about 385%, 354%, 356%, and the list goes on and on. Now guys, apart from the trade signals, I'm also planning to introduce my own personal crypto trading bot which will completely automate the trading for you. So if you guys are interested in this as well, make sure guys sign up as soon as possible. This is one of the results which I have been able to achieve with my crypto trading bot in the past couple of days. I personally believe that right now is the perfect opportunity in the markets to make money. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you guys sign up as soon as possible. The link to my trade signal group will be down in the description. It's only $30 per month, but I truly believe that the value you guys will be receiving is beyond any of the expectations. And I personally think that if you only follow, let's say about 2 of my trades or 1 of my trades, you guys are going to be making back your money in an instant, even if you start with about a $50. Now that is some insane news. Right now only about 2 or 3 spots are remaining, so make sure you guys are quick and you guys join up as fast as possible. Anyways, now let me explain you my personal trade strategy which I have for Gala Games. Now guys, as mentioned in my past videos as well, I am planning to take a long position for Gala Games once we retest this support line right over here, or say this blue line right over here, which is at a price of about 0.024. Now as of this moment, we are getting really close to it and I've started to take some long positions. However, I am going to be taking a huge long position once we reach, or say touch, this blue level right over here. Now once I take this position of mine, I plan to long Gala using leverage trading, and I'm going to be taking or setting my take profits at, first of all, at this price point right over here, which is at about 0.042, and that's about a 75% move towards the upside. My second take profit is going to be at this blue line right over here, which was previously an important support or say resistance level for Gala as well, and this is around 0.050. This is about 106% move towards the upside, and I plan to take my profits right over here because that is where I see Gala Games headed towards in the recent times. Now guys, taking profits is really good, but you guys should be safer with your investments, and that's why I recommend all of you to trade with the stop loss. I personally use 15 to 20% stop loss on all of my trades, so that is personally how I like to roll. That is the amount of risk which I am comfortable to take, and that's personally my strategy. I know a lot of traders who like to trade with like a 5% stop loss, 10% stop loss, but I've even seen some of the traders which have no stop loss at all. My personal strategy is between 15 to 20% because that's the sweet spot for me. So even if the project like comes down a bit, I still have a room to grow and room for it to go back up or go back down if I'm either longing the market or shorting the market. Now if I guys show you guys the indicators, you will be able to see that as of this moment we are getting some red candles on the MACD indicator, which is indicating some selling pressure. Now guys, I had mentioned this in my last videos as well. Now even though we have been getting some selling pressure, the selling pressure is really weak as of this moment. Now if you check out the last two instances we saw red candles coming in, you will be able to see that this selling pressure is just a fraction of what we were getting previously. First instant is this right over here. As you can see, we got huge red candles right over here, and the second instance is this right over here. You can see that for a month or so we continue to go downwards, and as you can see we got some pretty huge red candles. Nevertheless, we haven't really got any sort of buying pressure in the recent times, but the buying pressure which we got recently was pretty standard and was pretty consistent. I plan that Gala Games is going to be getting a massive buying pressure once we reach these levels, because the overall outlook for the market is that Gala Games is not going to be dropping any more lower, and we are not going to be seeing another bear market low for Gala Games. And yeah guys, that's pretty much my personal strategy with Gala Games at this moment. I hope you guys got some good insights, and if you did, make sure you guys drop a like on this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and as always I'll catch you all tomorrow with another video. Peace out.